So next point of the chapter, that is method of preparation of these semi-solids. So first methods which use for the preparation of these ointments and the creams. So there are four methods which is used for preparation of these ointments and creams. First trituration, second fusion, third chemical reaction, and last in emulsification. Next, for method for preparation of paste, there are two types of method will be used. First trituration and the fusion, and last for the gels, there is general method which is used for the preparation of the gels. So first method, that is trituration. So trituration method which is widely used in the preparation of any semi-solid preparation. So for extemporaneous preparation of ointment, when the base is soft and medicament is solid, insoluble, there will be the small amount of liquid will be incorporated into the base. So trituration method, when the base will be soft and the medicament will be solid, insoluble, and there will be the small amount of the liquid to be incorporated in the base. So in this, the trituration method will be used. So advantage of the trituration method, it involves mixing as well as size reduction. So due to trituration method, so first the solid, the base will be used, base and the medicament will be used, and small amount of the liquid will incorporate into this base and triturating. So main important of this trituration method will be the, it involves both mixing of the product, mixing of the substances, and also size reduction of the drug or medicament. The procedure of this trituration method, so first reduce the solid medicament into the fine powder. So first this medicament reduced into the fine powder. Then the medicament, this medicament means this drug will be mixed with small amount of the base on the ointment slab with stainless steel spatula until the homogeneous product is formed. So first triturate the medicament, triturate the medicament and reduce their particle size. Then the medicament with a small amount base take on the ointment slab with a stainless steel spatula. By using this spatula, there is a form a homogeneous product. So there is a formation of this ointment. So add remaining quantity. So first, then this first mixing, then add remaining quantity of the base with uniform mixing. त्याच्यानंतर काय करायचं, uniform mixing quantity base त्याच्यामध्ये add करायचं आणि uniform mixing. Then incorporate any liquid ingredient if present. समजा जर त्या ointment मध्ये एखादा liquid ingredient असेल, तो त्याच्यामध्ये add करून त्याचं proper mixing करायचं. Mortar and pestle is used in the case of large quantity of this. समजा जर जास्तच quantity असेल, so mostly this replace this ointment slab, then replace with mortar and pestle. जे ointment slab समजा जर large quantity जर liquid असेल, त्यावेळी काय करायचं, जे ointment slab ऐवजी काय यूज करायचं, mortar pestle यूज करायचं. So there is an example to prepare and dispense the 100 gram of sulfur ointment. So in this, the sulfur, sublime sulfur, the formulation, that is sublime sulfur, which is finely sifted 10 gram, and simple ointment, that is ointment base, which is 90 gram, and prepare this ointment. So direction for this ointment, apply the ointment on affected area as directed by physician. So this is the first method. So in this first method, first the drug, the medicament of the drug will be triturated and converted into the fine particles. Then this small amount of the drug taken, taken with on ointment slab with small amount of the base. Then by using stainless steel spatula, make homogeneous mixture on this ointment slab. Then other remaining the base will be added into the, and make proper mixture. Then if there is a liquid substances or liquid ingredient will be present, so add into this and make a proper ointment. Okay, if the large quantity present, if the large quantity of liquid ingredient will be present, so this procedure will be kept on to the in the mortar tester. So this is the first method, that is trituration method. Second method, that is fusion method. This is suitable when the ointment base contain number of solid ingredient or different melting points. So this fusion method, it is mainly used for suitable when number of ointment will contain number of, there is a number of solid ingredients and their melting point will be different. So procedure for this fusion method, the first step of the procedure, ointment base are melted into the decreasing order of the melting point. So then जे ointment base आहे ते त्याच्या डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर नुसार मेल्टिंग पॉइंटच्या डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर नुसार काय करायचं, फर्स्ट मेल्ट करायचं. हायस्ट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट शुड बी मेल्टेड फर्स्ट, ज्यांचा हायस्ट आहे फर्स्ट, ज्या बेसचा मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हायस्ट आहे तो फर्स्ट मेल्ट करायचा. देन लो, त्याच्यानंतरचा असेल त्याचं लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट त्याचा ऍड करून त्याला मेल्ट करायचं. दिस अवॉइड हिटिंग ऑफ सबस्टन्सेस ऑफ द लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. सो त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, जे लो सबस्टन्स जे मेल्टिंग आहे त्यांची ओव्हर हिटिंग अवॉइड केली जाते. इनकॉर्पोरेट मेडिकामेंट स्लोली इनटू द मेल्ट. देन जी मेडिकामेंट किंवा ड्रग असेल तो त्याच्यामध्ये इनकॉर्पोरेट करायचं. देन stir immediately until the mass is cooled down and homogeneous product. Then after adding incorporating medicament, stir immediately until the mass will be cooled down and form homogeneous product will be formed. So this is a simple fusion method. So then after this, so this is the okay. Then if there is a liquid ingredient present or any substances present, then the liquid ingredient or active substances should be heated at the same temperature and as mixed with this melted mass before addition. So these liquid ingredients and the substances should be heated to the same temperature as the melted bases before addition. If not, the waxes or solid will be cooled down quickly and get separated. समजा जर नाही आपण पण दोन्ही टेम्परेचर किंवा कूल डाऊन जे बेस असते ते कूल डाऊन व्हायच्या आधी आपण जर ऍड नाही केलं तर काय होणार, द वॅक्स अँड द सॉलिड, त्याच्यामध्ये वॅक्स किंवा सॉलिड असेल ते आर गेट separated. So precaution, there are main various precaution will be taken. There will be formulation of ointment by using fusion method. So first, stirring done continuously until the homogeneous mass will be formulated. Okay. So first, जोपर्यंत कंटिन्यूअस स्टरिंग करायचे जोपर्यंत होमोजेनस मास फॉर्म होतो. विगरस स्टरिंग शुड बी अवॉइडेड टू बी प्रिव्हेंट एंट्रॅपमेंट. जर जास्त फास्ट जर आपण केली स्टरिंग तर काय होणार, त्याच्यामध्ये एअर एंट्रॅप ते आपल्याला प्रिव्हेंट करेल. रॅपिड कूलिंग शुड बी अवॉइडेड टू गेट युनिफॉर्म. जर आपल्याला युनिफॉर्म प्रॉडक्ट पाहिजे असेल तर रॅपिड कूलिंग आपण अवॉइड करावे. देन टू रिमूव्ह द डस्ट और फॉरेन पार्टिकल स्ट्रेन थ्रू द मसलिंग कॉर्ड. जे मसलिंग जे आपण जे ऑइंटमेंट आहे ते पास करू असे मसलिंग क्लॉथ, त्याच्यामध्ये फॉरेन पार्टिकल किंवा स्ट्रेन असायला नको पाहिजे. सो ते आपण रिमूव्ह करायला पाहिजे. So this is the second method, that is fusion method. So this is the example of this ointment by using this prepare by using fusion method. So prepare and dispense 100 gram of cetrimide ointment. So formula for cetrimide 1 gram, cetosterol 10 gram, bites of paraffin 10 gram, liquid paraffin 29 gram, pure water 50 gram. So procedure for this preparation of this ointment: melt the ointment bases with decreasing order of melting point. So first melt the ointment bases in the decreasing order. Then dissolve cetrimide, that is medicament, into the water and heat this solution. Then mix this cetrimide solution into this molten ointment bases, molten mass, and stir immediately. So this is the method which is used for the preparation of ointment by using fusion method. Next method, by using chemical reaction. The preparation of ointment by using chemical reaction. For example, iodine ointment, that is iodine free form, and second iodine ointment, iodine combined form with ointment bases. So iodine containing free iodine. So the iodine slightly soluble into fat and vegetable oil. We know the iodine which is not soluble into the water. So it is iodine which is slightly soluble into the fats and oils. So readily soluble into the we know this ointment, this iodine, which is readily soluble into the potassium iodide solution in water due to the formation of this polyiodide. That is, these are the polyiodides. So these polyiodides, which are readily soluble into the water, alcohol, and the glycerin. So this solution may be incorporated with molten absorption type of ointment basis. So first time, so iodine, which is less soluble into the fats and oil, so they make a solution of soluble. This iodine will be soluble into the potassium iodide solution and make a polyiodide. So then this polyiodide, which are soluble into the water and alcohol and the glycerin. So this solution may be then incorporated into this molten base absorption type of bases and form ointment containing free iodine. Next method, that is ointment containing combined iodine. So fixed oil and the fats which is obtained from the vegetable and animal sources which are unsaturated constituent. जे आपल्याला फिक्स ऑइल किंवा मेनी फॅट्स पासून जे फॅट्स मिळतात, जे फिक्स ऑइल आहे किंवा फॅट्स असतील जे आपण व्हेजिटेबल किंवा ॲनिमल सोर्स पासून आपण मिळवतो, they are mainly unsaturated. So this iodine which is combined with this double bond or this oleic acid and which form diiodosteric acid. So first this iodine which is combined with this oleic acid, there is this fixed oil or fat and which form diiodosteric acid. So this free iodine which is not available. So त्याच्यामुळे काय combine झाल्यामुळे तिथे free iodine present नसतं. So free iodine which is not available. So this ointment appear dark ग्रीनिश ब्लॅक इन कलर. सो त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, कंबाईन फॉर्म झाल्यामुळे काय असतं, जे ऑइंटमेंट असतं ते काय असतं डार्क किंवा ग्रीनिश ब्लॅक कलर असतं अँड विच लिव्स नो स्टेन व्हेन वी रब इनटू स्किन. सो त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, जेव्हा आपण अप्लाय करतो त्यावर कुठलाही स्टेन त्याच्यामुळे प्रेझेंट होतो. सो विच इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ नॉन स्टेनिंग आयोडीन ऑइंटमेंट. आता नॉन स्टेनिंग आयोडीन ऑइंटमेंट का म्हणतात, बिकॉज दिस ऑइंटमेंट, दिस आयोडीन विच इज कंबाईन विच this oleic acid or fats and which there is no free iodine present into this ointment. So there is no, when we apply this ointment on this skin, so there will be the no stain present. So this which is called as a non-staining iodine ointment. So this is a method, chemical reaction method, which is used for preparation of ointment. Next, that is emulsification method. So in emulsification method, the fats and oil and waxes which are melted together at to the temperature and at a 70 degrees Celsius. So in emulsification method, these fats, oils and waxes which are melted together at around the temperature that is 70 degrees Celsius. Then aqueous solution of the heat stable water soluble compound also heated at the temperature. त्याच्यानंतर फर्स्ट जे वॅक्सेस किंवा ऑइल्स असतात किंवा फॅट्स असतात ते काय करायचे, 70 डिग्री टेम्परेचरला काय करायचे, मिक्स करायचे आणि 70 डिग्री टेम्परेचरला मेल्ट करायचे. ऍट द सेम टेम्परेचर जे ऍक्वियस सोल्युशन असतात ते पण काय करायचे किंवा वॉटर सोल्युबल कंपाऊंड असतात ते पण काय हीटेड करायचे त्या टेम्परेचर. Then this aqueous solution which is solely added into the melted bases. नंतर काय करायचं, ते aqueous solution असेल ते काय मेल्टेड मास असेल किंवा बेस त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड करायचं आणि कंटिन्युअस स्टरिंग करायचं. Then for we know that these two types of phases. First, this is oil phases or oily phases, that is fats, oils or waxes, and second will be the aqueous. So they are mixed together form emulsion. But so for stable emulsion, we add the emulsifying agent into this mixture. So water soluble soaps are commonly used for emulsification or act as the emulsifier for this semi-solid OBW type of emulsion. So this aqueous solution will be added into the melted bases and which continuous stirring until the cooling and which form ointment by using emulsification method. So for stable emulsion, we use the emulsifying agent. So for this, water soluble soaps will be uses. Also, a combination of triethanolamine stearate soap or acetyl alcohol, which is also used for the OYW type of emulsion. Triethanolamine stearate soap किंवा आपण acetyl alcohol also आपण use करू शकतो. Beeswax and divalent cation ions also used for WY. जर आपल्याला कुठल्या टाईपचं इमल्शन फॉर्म करायचं असेल किंवा ऑइंटमेंट फॉर्म करायचं, आता OYW असेल तर आपण ट्रायथेनोमाइन स्टिरेट सोप किंवा सिटाइल अल्कोहोल यूज करतो. जर आपल्या WYO टाइप इमल्शन जर फॉर्म करायचं तर बीजवॅक्स अँड डायव्हॅलेंट कॅल्शियम आयन्स आल्सो आपण यूज करू. So these are the methods on the laboratory. So this is the ointment slab which is used for preparation of this preparation of ointment. Second, we know this mortar pestle, and third will be the electric motor and the pestle which is used for the preparation of ointment. Next, on industrial scale, there is an ointment mill and there is a triple roll mill, and this hopper type of mixture will be used for this which is used for the preparation of this ointment. Next point, that is for preparation of these gels. So gels are mainly used, they are classified into three types. So first, medicated gel, lubricating gel, and miscellaneous gel. So medicated gels, they are used for the membrane and skin, apply for membrane and the skin. They are mainly actions of medicated gel: lubrication, antiseptic, vasoconstrictor, contraceptives. The mechanism of preparation of this medicated gel: the evaporation of water which produce cooling sensation to skin and contain remaining stick film on the applied area which give protection. So main application किंवा mechanism काय medicated gelचं, जेव्हा आपण अप्लाय करतो medicated gel, so त्याच्यामधलं जे water असेल, it get evaporated and the skin gives cooling sensation and remaining content will be stick on the as a film, जे film form होते आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार आहे, तो एरिया असेल किंवा ते म्युकस मेम्ब्रेन असेल किंवा स्किन असेल ते काय प्रोटेक्ट केले. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफेड्रिन सल्फेट जेली विच इज ऍक्ट ऍज अ वासोकन्स्ट्रिक्टर. जी इफेड्रिन सल्फेट जेली असते विच इज ऍक्ट ऍज अ वॅसोकन्स्ट्रिक्टर, म्हणजे वेसल जे असते त्यांचं काय कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन करतं. सेकंड, फेनाइल मर्क्युरी नायट्रेट जेल विच इज ऍक्ट ऍज अ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्ह ऑर स्पर्मिसायडल. सो जी फेनाइल मर्क्युरी नायट्रेट आहे ती काय विच ऍक्ट ऍज अ जेल विच ऍक्ट ऍज अ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्ह, म्हणजे मेडिकेटेड यूज असतात त्याला काय म्हणतात, किंवा जेली फॉर मेडिकेशन पर्पज ती जेली यूज करतो त्याला काय मेडिकेटेड जेली, आयदर दे आर वासोकन्स्ट्रिक्टर टाइप और कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्ह टाइप. नेक्स्ट, lubrication jelly or lubricant jelly. So their properties of this lubricated gel, there should be thin, transparent and water soluble. जे जेलीज असतात त्या जेल्स असतात त्या थिन किंवा ट्रान्सपरंट किंवा वॉटर सोल्युबल असतात. इट मस्ट बी स्टराइल and inserted into the sterile region of body. They are must be inserted into the sterile region of the body. So these gels are used for lubrication in rectal thermometers, urinary bladders, finger stall, cystocoppus, surgical gloves, and the catheters. For this lubrication of this all in body regions or into this will be used. Also use catheters, insertion of catheter, rectal thermometer, urinary bladder or finger stall or cystocoppus. So this will be lubrication gel will be used. Next, miscellaneous gel, or which is used for patch testing. This miscellaneous is used for patch testing, which is used for vehicle for allergens will be applied on the skin allergies. So आता जी मिसेलेनियस जेल आहे ती सिम्पली मोस्टली कुठेसाठी टेस्टिंग पर्पजेस आहे. जेव्हा एखाद्या ॲलर्जन्स किंवा एखादा ड्रग आपण बॉडीवर अप्लाय करून त्या बॉडीची सेन्सिटिव्हिटी टेस्ट किंवा ॲलर्जी टेस्ट किंवा हायपरसेन्सिटिव्हिटी टेस्ट जी चेक करण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, एक व्हेकल म्हणून जे असेल त्या ॲलर्जन्सचं व्हेकल म्हणून आपण करण्यासाठी आपण मिसेलेनियस जेल यूज करतो. नेक्स्ट, इलेक्ट्रोकार्डिओग्राफी. So gels contain NaCl, pumice powder and glycerin to reduce the electric resistance between the skin and electrode. जे इलेक्ट्रोकार्डिओग्राफ करतात किंवा इलेक्ट्रो जे असते त्याच्यासाठी जी जेली अप्लाय, जे आपण इलेक्ट्रोड अप्लाय करताना जेली यूज करतो. सो दिस इज यूज एज अ मिसेलेनियस जेल. सो त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, इट रिड्यूस द इलेक्ट्रिक रेजिस्टन्स बिटवीन द स्किन अँड जे स्किन आणि इलेक्ट्रोड मधलं स्किन आणि इलेक्ट्रोड मध्ये जे इलेक्ट्रिक रेजिस्टन्स ते कमी करण्यासाठी आपण जेली विच विल बी यूज. सो ह्या जेलीमध्ये काय असं NaCl, PVS powder and glycerin containers. Next, preparation of this jelly. Next, formulation or preparation of these gels. So first, it is usually prepared by addition of thickening. So first, is usually prepared by addition of this thickening agent. For example, Travacan, carboxymethyl silicate. The thickening agent added into the aqueous solution in which drug has been dissolved. So first, take a thickening agent, that is this is Travacan carboxymethyl. This thickening agent will be added into the aqueous solution which contain drug will be dissolved and mass is triturated. Then the whole mass will be triturated into the mortar until smooth product will be. त्याच्यानंतर काय करायचे? This drug solution, drug aqueous solution of the drug and thickening agent will be this mass will be triturated into the mortar and be converted into the smooth product. When colored drug will be incorporated into the glass mortar will be used. So the colored drug असेल तर त्याच्यासाठी आपण mostly glass mortar use करतो. Then whole gum will be prepared as a powder gum to get clear preparation until uniform consistency. जी गम किंवा आपण ट्रागाकान जे गम यूज करतो त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं मोस्टली होल गम किंवा तो पावडर गम आपण यूज करायचा मोस्टली फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दी युनिफॉर्म कन्सिस्टन्सीसाठी आपण यूज करतो. चांगली जर कन्सिस्टन्सी पाहिजे असेल तर आपण पावडर टाइप ऑफ गम यूज करणार. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द जेल इचेमॉल जेली. सो इचेमॉल जेली कंटेन these formulation ingredients are ichemol 20 gram, Travacan 5 gram, alcohol 90% 10 gram, glycerin 2 gram, water quantity sufficient up to 100 gram. So these four preparation will be up to for 100 gram ichemol jelly. So how will we prepare this ichemol jelly? So first, Travacan, which is mixed with alcohol, Travacan, that is powder gum, will be mixed with alcohol into the mortar pestle and triglyceride Travacan with alcohol into the mortar pestle and form mucilage. Then this ichemol will be added into the glycerin water mixture and make drug solution. So this drug solution then added into the mortar containing mucilage and triturate. Then add water of sufficient quantity and triturate complete. Triturate the whole mixture and make a jelly. So transfer this after completion formulation of jelly, transfer into the suitable container, label and dispense. So first simple. So first the powder gum will be with solvent. Powder gum will be add with the solvent into the mortar pestle and triturate and which form mucilage. Then the drug or other glycerin into water, glycerin plus water. So make a drug solution and this drug solution will be added into this mucilage and then triturate. Then add sufficient quantity of water and make a volume, the required volume of that jelly. After completion formulation of jelly, it will be transferred into the container and then dispensed. So these are the formulation of these semi-solid preparations. The evaluation of ointments and they are not into their this syllabus for this same. So we stop here.